As technology continues to evolve, efficient and cost-effective digital printing solutions are becoming the mainstream choice in the market. Today, let us bring you into Wonder Digital to learn more about our factory strength, team spirit, and how we can provide you with diverse digital press products. At Wonder, our products cover a full range of digital printing solutions. First, the Muti Pass digital printing machine Vivid Color Scattered King WD250-16A++, which has a printing width of up to 2,500 mm and a minimum of 350 mm, with a speed of up to 700 square meters per hour, and a printing thickness of 1.2 mm to 35 mm, or even 50 mm, can easily cope with all kinds of corrugated carton digital printing solutions. Next is Single Pass Digital Printing Machine. WD200++ Single Pass High-Speed Digital Linkage Line has 1200 npi basic resolution, max 150 m/min production speed. No matter it is large, medium or small batch order, it can complete the production task quickly and efficiently. Whether it is large, medium or small batch orders, it can complete the production tasks quickly and efficiently to meet the diversified needs of customers. And Single Pass Roll-to-Roll Digital Pre-Printers for roll materials, like the WDUV200-168A++ Roll-to-Roll Single Pass Digital Pre-Printer, with a speed of up to 150 meters/minute, bring unprecedented productivity to customers. Our manufacturing plants are equipped with world-leading equipment and technology, and strictly follow the International Quality Management System. Our team of experienced designers not only continues to invest in R&D and innovation to create advanced technology that meets market demands, but also focuses on the high efficiency and environmental protection to ensure that each piece of equipment can help our customers achieve the most ideal production benefits. Wonder's digital printing machine is now exported to Southeast Asia, Europe, America, Middle East, Latin America, and other countries and regions. Our more than 1,800 machines are running efficiently all over the world, which not only create value for customers such as carton factories, advertising agencies, and home decoration enterprises, but also provide unlimited possibilities for personalized customization. From R&D to production to after-sales service, Wonder is always committed to providing customers with all-round support and solutions. If you have any needs, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to cooperating with you. See you next time.